JEE Series Lecture number 4. Frequency of sound that can be produced by a pipe depends on length L of pipe, atmospheric pressure P, and density D of air. According to relation nu equal to P power A, D power C divided by L power A. Find the value of A plus B plus C. So frequency nu is P power B into D power C divided by L power A. Here P is pressure. So dimension of pressure will be force upon area. Force ml T power minus 2 divided by L square. So this will give ml minus 1 T power minus 2. Density D, mass upon volume. So m L power minus 3 and L is length. And the new frequency, which is 1 upon time. So we write m power 0, L power 0, T power minus 1 equal to dimension of pressure ml minus 1 T power minus 2 whole power B times ml minus 3 power C divided by L power A. We simplify it. So m power 0, L power 0, T power minus 1 equal to. From here, m power A, sorry, A is not there, m power B, and from this, m power C. So we write m power B plus C. Now consider the power of L. Here, this is minus B, and from here, minus B, and this is minus 3C, and from here, minus A. And then T power, so T power minus 2B from here, nothing else. Now we compare the powers on the both the sides. So we get B plus C equal to 0 and minus B minus 3C minus A equal to 0 implies B plus A plus 3C equal to 0 and power of T. So 1 equal to 2B, from where we get B equal to 1 by 2. When B equal to 1 by 2, we put here. So 1 by 2 plus C equal to 0. So this gives C equal to minus half. When C equal to minus half, B equal to half, we put here. So this is 1 by 2 plus A. And this is minus half. So 1 by 2 equal to 0. So A minus, this will become 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 2 by 2, that is 1 equal to 0, from where we get A equal to 1. Now we have got the values of A, B, C, and our concern is to get A plus B plus C. So A is 1 and B is half and C is minus half. So we will get 1. So 1 is our answer. Question number 2. In a new system of unit, the unit of mass is 10 times, the unit of length is made 1 by 100 times, and that of time is made 10 times the SI unit. The magnitude of 1 joule in new system of unit is 10 power x, then what is value of x? So we apply formula N2 equal to N1, M1 upon M2 power dimension. So here dimension joule. Joule is work. Work is ml square T power minus 2. So we can say A equal to power of M, that is 1, and B equal to power of L, that is 2, and C equal to minus 2. We put these values here. So A and then L1 upon L2 power B, and then T1 upon T2 power C. So here N1 is 1 joule, so 1 times M1 SI unit values, so 1 kg divided by, here mass is made 10 times in new unit. So we write this 10 kg, power A is 1, L1 is 1 meter, In new unit, it is 1 by 100 times, 1 by 100 meter, and power 2 into time. This is 1 second, and in new unit, it is 10 times. So it will be 10 second and whole power minus 2. We arrange it. So this will become 1 upon 10. This will become 100 into 100. And this will become 10 power 2 again. So what we have got? So this will become 1 0 will cancel out from here. So total 10 power 2, 4, 5, 10 power 5. So here it is given 10 power x. So 10 power x equal to 10 power 5, which gives x equal to 5. Now, next question is, in a system of units, if force F, acceleration A, and time t are taken as fundamental units, then the dimensional formula of energy will become FAT power x by 3. Then what is x? So energy is given as FAT power x by 3, and we have to find out value of x. But energy has dimension, force into displacement, which is work. So ml square t power minus 2 equal to force ml t power minus 2, and here a is acceleration, so that is lt power minus 2 into time power x by 3. M L square t power minus 2 equal to here M L square t power minus 2 plus x by 3 minus 4 plus x by 3. If we compare the two sides, we will get minus 2 equal to minus 4 plus x by 3, which implies x by 3 equal to, this will become 2, from where we get x equal to 6. And that is our answer. Thank you for watching.